No cookie, baby. I've got a treat for you. This is what I've made it. It's a tube with hay blocking either end and some oats and a bit of dried carrot in the middle. See what she thinks. What's this? Put it in your cage. Look, what's this? She's not interested, you're here. Does it, baby? Cookie, what's this? Does it smell nice? Yeah, you can't get through that easy, can you? The whole point. She says absolutely demolishing it and eating the cardboard. Lovely. You're not supposed to eat that, but you're supposed to eat the contents. Oh, have you already found some? I totally should have put the other tube inside. That didn't take her long. That didn't take my baby long. Some haze in there as well. Wait till you find what's down the other side, your favourite. You're a little vandal. It's the other tube behind her that she tried to take into her bed. Just somewhere down there. Let's see. There's her bed. With her calcium block in it, of course. And her metal wheel, because she destroyed the wooden one and put it in her bed. It's where everything she likes goes. Yeah, that'll keep you occupied for a bit, won't it? Won't it, baby? She says, yes, it's mine now. Oh, excuse me. Is that good? Shadow doesn't care. Shadow is eating. Nom, 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 nom. You found the carrot yet? That's exciting. Can't get enough of it. Isn't that exciting, baby girl? Isn't that exciting? Lovely. Interesting cuddles. Emergency switch. Look at those teeth go to work. Yeah, I didn't make it too easy to get to the oats, did I? Two of your favourite treats in there. We've got oats and we've got dry carrot. We haven't got those sugar-free ones, we have to go to the pet shop to get some more. Maybe that'll keep you occupied for now. Let me say goodbye, Cookie. Into a lovely cage. Will soon be expanding. Have a two-bedroom cage. You have a little fence. Bye bye, baby. Bye, baby. Not interested. Say bye bye, Cookie. Nope.